Hello YouTube, welcome to another day in the life of It's Just Nice. So today I'm going to be teaching you some drinking games. So next time you have game night or next time you just want to have some drink, you got some ideas and you know how to play. First game was introduced to me by my cousins and it's called Zuma Zuma. I believe it's a game that's originated in Jamaica. So basically it's like you gotta go by the rhythm. So like, let's say I'm Zuma, I will go. I can go slow. I can go fast. But basically, everybody has to keep the same rhythm as me. And go, like, let's say there's 6 people. I'm Zuma, then somebody's 1, somebody's 2, somebody's 3, somebody's 4, somebody's 5, somebody's 6. And then it will go Zuma, Zuma. Like, let's say I go Zuma, Zuma, 2, 2. The person that's 2 would have to go 2, 2 and call out another number. So, like, Zuma, Zuma, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 1, 1, so on and so forth. Now, if somebody messes up, so let's say I go Zuma Zuma 1 1 and the person that's 1 says 1 1. No, I go Zuma Zuma 1 1 and the person that's 1 says 2 2 3 3, but their number is 1, but they say 2 2 3 3. They would have to drink. Also, you can pass it back to Zuma, like, so you can be like 1 1 Zuma Zuma and then Zuma Zuma 3 3. If you hesitate, then you will also have to drink. Sorry about that. You will also have to drink. So that's Zuma Zuma. So once again, Zuma Zuma 1 1 1 1 5 5 5 5 4 4 4 4 Zuma 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 2 2. That's Zuma Zuma. The next game is King's Cup. Some people know it as Ring of Fire. I did not put my light on because I'm busy, but these are a standard deck of 52 cards, playing cards. You take out the jokers, I believe. Yes, take out the jokers. So make sure you get a standard 52 card deck. You take, why the heck do I have a Uno card in here? And then you take out the jokers. So every card has a meaning to it. So you would shuffle, blah 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 blah. Everybody would have a shot glass or a cup, whatever, however you want to do. If you want to do shots or if you want to do like everybody's drinking from a cup, and you have a big cup in the middle of the cards. So the cards would be in a circle. I mean, this is really bad, but it would be like face down. And like they would be spread out, and then the cup would be in the middle. And then how we play is we pour a little bit of everything in the middle cup, but we don't pour too much, like just drops. And so the person who dealt, it goes counterclockwise, or it could go clockwise. Counterclockwise or clockwise. It's up to you how you want to play. We're probably gonna play counterclockwise. Before I go further, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and share. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. So let's say the first person, you're going clockwise, right? First person picks up a 7. 7 is heaven, so everybody puts their hands up in the air. Last person to do that drinks. 5 is guys. All guys drink. And that, like, so the next person after that, and it just keeps going around in a circle. 6 is all girls. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, 6 is all the girls. So 6 is chicks. 5 is guys. Like I said, that's another 5. Ace is waterfall. So whoever picks this card, they start to drink, and then the person next to them, and then like it just goes around the whole circle. Everybody has to drink. Technically, you're not supposed to stop until the person before you stop, but we don't play like that. We just, everybody drinks. 9 is rhyme. So the person who picks up this card says a word. So example, cat, and everybody in the circle has to say a word that rhymes. So mat, hat, bat. And the first person who either repeats a word that was already said or can't think of a word or stumbles, they have to drink. 8 is, what is 8? 8 is date. Yes, 8 is date. So whoever picks this card, you pick somebody to drink with you, and every time you drink, that person has to drink. 3 is me. So whoever picks this card, that person has to drink. I'm picking a lot of cards that were already picked. 2 is you. So the person who picks this card chooses somebody to drink. 4 is floor. So everybody has to touch the table or touch the floor. Last person to do that drinks. This is going to be a 2-part video. So I'm about to end it soon. I just want to get through all the cards that I haven't gone through already. Queen is questions. So the person who picks this card asks a question, and everybody after that person also has to ask a question. You cannot answer the question. If you answer the question, you drink. So for example, what day is today? Why is your shirt red? Why is it so hot? What is the weather like? It goes on and on and on. King is you make a rule. So whoever pulls this card makes a rule, and then they also pour some of whatever they're drinking into the middle cup as well. And whatever rule they make, you have to follow this rule for the rest of the game. You don't drink. Also with the king, there's 4 kings obviously. So the person who picks up the 4th king has to drink everything that's in that middle cup. And then the game is over. 10 is category. So let's say the person who picks this picks cards. Everybody has to name a card, type of card. The first person who repeats something that was already said or cannot think of a type of card or stumbles, they drink. Jack. Jack is never have I ever. So 3 fingers. Everybody holds up 3 fingers. Be played never have I ever. So the person who pulled this card will go first. Never have I ever smoked cigarettes. If you done it, you put a finger down, and the first person with no fingers left has to drink. Did I go through all the cards? I feel like I went through all the cards. Ace is waterfall. 2 is you. 3 is me. 4 is water. 5 is sky. 6 is chick. 7 heaven. 8 is date or mate. 9 is rhyme. 10 is category. Jack is never have ever. Queen's question is king is make a roll. Yes, so I did go through all of the cards. So that is how you play King's Cup, and I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to make a part 2 because I don't want the video to be too long. So thank you guys for joining me in another day in the life of Vicious Knight. Peace out.